So here we have the Ford Fiesta 1 litre EcoBoost Z-Tech on a 17 plate. I'm just going to show you around the outside of the car first of all, and then we'll hop in and run through a few controls on the inside. But as you'll see from the outside, it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then I'll hop in and run through a few controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see that it's in great condition the whole way round. Just before I climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. As you can see, the seats are in fantastic condition. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we've got the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom, you'll see the fuel gauge, and then above that, the total miles on this car, which are 48,020. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left-hand side here, we've got the stereo controls, as well as voice activation for the phone. So hit that button in the middle, ask it to dial anyone in your contacts list, and it will do that for you without you having to touch your phone again. That is, of course, once you paired your phone, which is done using the stereo system here and the screen directly in front of it. As you'll see, this car's got FM radio. It also has DAB digital radio, which you can see just there, and AM as well. And in terms of other ways of listening to music, you've got a CD player and a USB input. And on top of that, once you've paired your phone, not only can you make and receive phone calls, but you also have Bluetooth audio as well, which you will see on the phone, on the screen just there in front of you. The main unit is just here. You can see the CD player at the top of that, and some of the buttons I was pushing a moment ago down on the left-hand side here, with the volume controlled in the middle. Underneath that, we've got the air conditioning. So fan speed is adjustable on the left-hand side, temperature over on the right-hand side here, and then the direction of the air with this dial just here. That button will turn the air conditioning on or back off again, and you have a heated front screen as well. Underneath that, we've got the stop and start button. So pushing that will turn the system off. Basically, the car is designed to cut out in traffic to save you fuel when you're stationary, of course. So when you push that button, that will turn it off if you'd rather not use that system. We then have a 5-speed manual gearbox, and directly beneath that, a 12-volt charging socket and the USB input that I mentioned previously. All that leads me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.